Hello everyone, hi, this is Pratiksha back with another video, and today I am into a very different topic today. So yesterday was like Raksha Bandhan, and that was like brothers and sisters function of festival, we can say. So today the book which I am going to talk is dedicated to all the boys, all the brothers, all the man, father, husband, boyfriend, friend, etc. So this book is really dedicated to boys or men. So the book name is Reflection of Man. So the name itself states that what does this book means? Reflections of men. So there are like various types of men and what are their reflections. Let's talk about this book. This book is by Mr. Amari Soul. So this is like a really very beautiful book written by this author, stating like even the statement which is like, we can say, more predictable and more oftenly used, that no one can understand woman. And that's true, like even god comes, and even on the earth, or like even god cannot understand any woman or earth, the love, way the way she is, the way she loves another, how she is caring and everything. Even god cannot rectify that thing. So that's true. And in this book, this author has tried to understand woman and how to treat her, what are the things we should do as a like a husband, as a boyfriend, as a friend, as a father, as a brother, how we can understand girl. In this book, there he had mentioned it. I will tell that everyone, not even boys, even like girls can read this book and can get that answer. But this is like really a very good book, a good definition of like how to treat a woman, how to respect her, how to care her, how to like get engrossed with her, how to talk with her, how to walk with her, how to speak with her, how to be polite with her, how to be gentle with her. So in this book, like how you can treat your girlfriend, how you can treat your wife, how you can treat your sister, everything in this book this author has mentioned in like very calm and polite way. So I would recommend you all to just read this book. Even like boys, you just get this book and read it, how to treat a woman, how to, like, how to be with a woman. Even girls, you watch, and it's like for girls this book is like they can go into the perception, they can think like how they want man in their life. So this book is like really helpful for those who want to be a better man, better human being, better woman. Even women can read and they can treat the person equally. How to give like equal rights to each other, how to be like good with each other like a partner, how to treat each other, how to love each other, how to be friendly with each other. Everything this book will taught you. Just read this book. This book is like really very 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 amazing book. Reflections of a Man by Amari Soul, Mr. Amari Soul. Thank you. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. Have a lovely day. Bye.